Hello balloon artists. Today I've got some great tips for picture perfect displays. We all want our displays to look as good as they possibly can, but there's something that really stands out for me. It doesn't show on all the balloons, but if you've got a black balloon, for example, it's the barcode, and it seems such a shame to spoil your display with the barcode showing. So what I do on these dark balloons, I take a black Sharpie and I just fill in the barcode. So that's not going to spoil your display anymore. You can let that back up, it will dry in a few seconds and nobody is going to notice that you've coloured that in. Hope you've enjoyed this tips tutorial. Remember to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and activate the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos which I publish on Tuesdays. And you're very welcome to join me in my Balloon Artworks Academy, which is my closed Facebook group, where you can ask me any questions you like about this or any of my other videos. And I'll see you again in the next video.